For sure. For sure. We could have you wear the GoPro for a little bit, and then I could put the GoPro on my chest. You could see you skiing in front of me. Yeah, it'd be cool. Cool or not cool, but it's worth a shot.
I think it'd be sweet.
This trail, this is White Lightning, huh? This is the steepest trail?
I don't know if there's a black one, yeah.
I never did it. Just have to come back next year.
It's pretty brief. The bottom of it makes me nervous because people cross it over, you know?
Yeah.
But so has this been what you thought it would be?
No, it's been like way nicer than I thought it would be. I kind of heard horror stories like it's all ice and it rains all day and like
Yeah.
the weather can be so hard.
Right.
But it's been fine, like great snow and wonderful. And then I just I don't really have like those are kind of the only things I heard about it was like the rain.
Yeah.
And so I didn't have a lot of other expectations.
Yeah.
But I think the people have been so nice, especially like all the parents are just unbelievable.
Very grateful.
Yeah.
For sure.
So awesome.
Good. I'm glad it's been a good experience.
It's been great, yeah. And it's always fun to like come to a different place with like different equipment that you usually use and it makes you, you know, learn and
It's a new challenge.
figure it
yeah.
out.
Absolutely.
We use a lot of these at home, the mountain men.
Yeah. I like them.
How you feeling? Do you want your neck eater pulled up a little bit more? It's okay? Okay. Oh, there's the sunshine. This is where we want to be. Up at the top with the sunshine.
Sure.
He's got a GoPro on too over there. He's wearing it on his helmet though. For the GoPro so it doesn't get all frozen over. It's good. Not frozen over. Oh. Okay, we're still good.